Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So I have been meaning to put this video up and I just never got an opportunity to shoot the beginning and after of the video. But basically, one of my best friends is having a baby. And so while I was in Michigan and having my own baby, I got to throw her a really awesome Peter Pan themed shower. Now I'm gonna start off by saying she did not know whether or not she was having a boy or a girl, and so we wanted to do a gender neutral themed shower, and so this is great really for any baby that is being born, and I loved this idea. It was really fun. She was just kind of like, go with it. She didn't really have a preference on what she wanted, and I knew I wanted to do Disney themed. She and I go to Disney World a lot together, actually. We've been on several trips together, and she's just one of my favorite people, and so I knew that this was the perfect theme for her. So let's jump into the making of, creating of, and final version of this awesome Neverland Peter Pan themed shower. So I'm about to work on these Peter Pan inspired little gift boxes. So I got these from Oriental Trading Company, and they are just these sparkly green cute little Chinese takeout boxes. And then I've got a glue gun, a silicone mat to put the glue gun on, and then some red feathers. So let's get started. So obviously these are made to look like little Peter Pan hats, so I just figured out where I wanted the red feather to be, hot glue gunned it, stuck it on the side, easy as that. Now these were our little gifts to give people, and so we also included a trail mix on the inside and called it a Lost Boys trail mix. We ended up doing a diaper raffle, so these were the little gifts for the diaper raffle. They were Wendy's Kisses, and so we filled this little jar with kisses. And then I decorated the top with little thimbles and buttons, and then it also included a Starbucks gift card. Next are the various signs that we used throughout to label. You will see those in the next clip. I just made them in a Word document and dragged some pics in from Google. It was adorable. Now I did end up using various quotes from Peter Pan, and there is one of them. They were baby inspired and mom inspired. hope you guys enjoyed this Neverland shower themed video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying and seeing. And if you've not joined my Disney family, make sure to hit that little red subscribe button. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.